Hi guys, and the dog's barking so.
Daisy, shut up.
So we're gonna be doing the dryer vent review, okay? Alright, so here it is, the dryer vent review. Here's the dryer vent. Unfortunately, you can't see it barely, so. See that? Here's the dryer vent. Okay? Here's the dryer vent. See that? Yeah. The dryer vent review. Okay? Alright. So, I know all about it, okay? Alright, guys. Let's go say hi to my 4-year-olds and dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Yeah. I know. Hi, Liam. Yeah. Hi, Lana.
Hi, Bye.
Yeah. She's funny, so. Oh, David. Yeah. So, we're gonna be doing, okay. We're gonna talk about Leonardo da Vinci, okay? Alright. Yep. We're gonna be talking about Leonardo da Vinci, okay? It's the fifth, of course, the famous painter of Mona Lisa, okay? Alright. I'll bring it back, okay? Okay. You know, if you want to talk to, I'm sorry, I'm gonna say it. Okay, we're gonna be talking about Leonardo da Vinci, okay? Alright, so here he is now. Leonardo da Vinci. Here are the images of it. See him? See him? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna read a couple of things right now. Alright, it's Mona Lisa. He paid Mona Lisa. Remember that? Remember? Okay. Alright. Leonardo da Vinci is a polymath. Was a polymath, okay? Alright. And he created Mona Lisa, the most famous of his work all the time, okay? He was born on April 15th, 1452 in Archiana, Italy. He died on May 2nd, 1519 in Chateau du Clos-Luz in Bois, France. Okay? On view is Ambrosian Library and Louvre Museum and more. And periods are High Renaissance, Early Renaissance, Renaissance, Italian Renaissance, and 14 painting. His height is 5 feet 9 inches, and known for painting, drawing, sculpting, science, engineering, architecture, and astronomy. Okay? Alright, guys. So, that's it for today. Give this video a thumbs up and the comments down below. Subscribe. Bye. See you real soon. Bye.